Our journey to sharper begins with the most fundamental instrument in a human's life: self-discipline. Discipline inculcates in us virtues of honesty, humility, and a sense of responsibility. By inculcating self-discipline in students through a spectrum of programs like student motivation programs, monitored innovative assemblies, guest lectures, special skill workshops, competition opportunities, student council, external assessments, we focus on every little detail that often gets missed out in a school curriculum. Our theory of self-discipline allows children to gain their own perception on their own. That's all for now. Keep watching this space to know about the next stop on our journey to sharper. See you next time.